Hello everyone, welcome to Mastermind. So in the first part we have discussed important points related to Planning Commission. We had discussed that it is only the advisory body. It was established on 15th of March 1950. Prime Minister of India is the ex officio chairman. Okay, so there is a final approval which is being given for the 5-year plan. So whatever these 5-year plans which is formulated, correct, who formulates the for 5-year plan? So it is formulated by Planning Commission. Now for this final approval is given by NDC. Now NDC stands for National Development Council. So NDC is National Development Council. So the Planning Commission formulates the 5-year plan, and for the formulated 5-year plan, final approval is given by National Development Council. So this National Development Council, when was this established? It was established on 6th of August 1950. 6th of August 1950. Whereas in case of Planning Commission, I'll just write it here. Planning Commission was established on 15th of March 1950. Okay, so this was on not 1950, it was in 1952. Okay, so it was 6th of August 1952. Now after this, in 2015, Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission. Okay, Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission. So what are the other important points related to National Development Council? So National Development Council was actually serving as a forum. Okay, it was also the advisory body, and it was a high level advisory body in case of Indian context. So it was serving as a forum. So in this there was discussion which was going on related to socio-economic development of India, advices which were going on, those were also discussed on the basis of economic and social development of India. Now what was the composition of National Development Council? So this included Prime Minister as chairman, Prime Minister as chairman or chairperson, along with Union Cabinet Ministers. Now it also has the members of Niti Aayog, then representatives of union territories, chief ministers of all the states in India, etc. It is having all of that. So you can just remember that that National Development Council was the body which was giving approvals, a final approval for the 5-year plans which were formulated by the Planning Commission, which was it was established. National Development Council was established on 6th of August 1952. It was the forum for discussion and advices related to the economic and social development of India. Now in the previous part we have discussed about the points with respect to Niti Aayog also in some points. So Niti Aayog, we saw that Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission. So Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission. From when did it replace? It replaced from 1st of January 2015. 1st of January 2015. So the formation of Niti Aayog, when was Niti Aayog formed? It was formed on 15th August 2014. 15th August 2014 it was announced, formation of Niti Aayog. It replaced the Planning Commission and it came into existence from 1st of January 2015. Now with respect to 5-year plans, so there were totally 3 breaks. There were 3 breaks in 5-year plans. There were 3 breaks in 5-year plans. So the first break was in 1966 to 69. 66 to 69. Second one was 1978 to 80. Third one was 1991-92. 1991-92. Next point is, which was the last 5-year plan? So the last 5-year plan was 12th 5-year plan. 12th 5-year plan. So 12th 5-year plan was the last 5-year plan. Now let us see some important points related to Niti Aayog. So we have seen that Niti Aayog was announced on 15th of August 2014, and it was established, or it replaced Planning Commission on 1st January 2015. So the chairman of Niti Aayog, chairman of chairman or chairperson of Niti Ayog? I'll just write it as Niti Ayog. So it will be Prime Minister. It will be Prime Minister. Now it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And who is the Vice Chair of Niti Ayog? Vice Chair of Niti Ayog. Now it is Suman Beri. Suman Beri is the Vice Chairperson or Chairman of Niti Ayog. The CEO of Niti Ayog, CEO of Niti Ayog is BVR Subramaniam. Subramaniam. Okay, so they are the CEO of Niti Ayog. Now there are two important points related to Niti Ayog. Now who was the first CEO of Niti Ayog? First CEO of Niti Ayog was Sindhu Shri Khullar. It was Sindhu Shri Khullar. And first vice chairperson of Niti Ayog was Arvind Panagaria. Arvind Panagaria. Now the next finance commission, which is 16th Finance Commission. So the chairman of 16th Finance Commission, and this 16th Finance Commission, it was constituted on 31 December 2023. So the chairman of this 16th Finance Commission also is Arvind Panagaria. So the present ones are, the chairman is Prime Minister only. So the vice chairperson of Niti Ayog is Suman Beri, and the CEO of Niti Ayog is BVR Subramaniam. Now let us look at some of the points related to the 5-year plans. So in case of first 5-year plan, what was the focus? In case of first 5-year plan, the focus was agriculture. The focus was agriculture only. So the priority itself was agriculture. It was from 1951 to 1956. And what was this plan based on? It was based on Harrod-Domar model. It was based on Harrod-Domar model. And who is known as the architect of the first 5-year plan? It is K.N. Raj. K.N. Raj is the economist. K.N. Raj is the architect of this first 5-year plan. The priority was agriculture. It was from 1951 to 56. It is based on the Harrod-Domar model. Next one. What were the important projects which were started during the first 5-year plan? First one was the Hirakud project, which is on the Mahanadi in Odisha. This irrigation project also was started in first 5-year plan. And then there is Damodar Valley Dams. In West Bengal. This also was started during the first 5-year plan. These were the irrigation projects which were started in the first 5-year plan. Next, there is a second 5-year plan. So after the first 5-year plan, the focus which was on agriculture. In the second 5-year plan, the focus was on industries. And this was on the large industries. It was not on the small scale industries as such. It was on the bigger industries. The main focus itself was on the industries over here. It was from 1956 to 1961. And this was on the basis of Mahalanobis, PC Mahalanobis. It is also known as Mahalanobis plan, Mahalanobis model. So the main focus here was industries only. And what were the important developments which happened during this second 5-year plan? First one was Durgapur steel plant. Okay, Durgapur steel plant, which was in West Bengal. By Britain it was started. And then there is Rourkela steel plant. This was in Odisha. It was by Germany. And this was by Britain. This was by Germany. Third one was Bhilai steel plant. It was in Chhattisgarh. This was by Russia. So this question also they have asked in the examination previously as match the following. So Durgapur steel plant was from the collaboration by Britain. Rourkela was by Germany. Bhilai steel plant, it was by Russia. So these were important industrial developments which had happened at this point of a time. And next one, Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Khadi and Village Industries Commission, which we call as KYC, it was established in 1957. It was established in 1957. That was also during the second 5-year plan. Next one, during the third 5-year plan. During the third 5-year plan, when was it? When was this third 5-year plan? It was from 1961 to 1966. This was also known as Gadgil Yojana. This was also known as Gadgil Yojana, who was also the deputy chairman of the planning commission at that point of a time. It was deputy chairman of the planning commission. So this during this third 5-year plan, there were 3 important things which had happened. First one was Indo-China War. Indo-China War in 1962. Then there was Indo-Pak War. Indo-Pak War from 1965-66, and there was also Green Revolution. Green Revolution. So these were some of the important points with respect to third 5-year plan, which is usually asked in case of examination. Okay, so this was also known as the Gadgil Yojana, who was the deputy chairman of planning commission. In this, the focus was self-reliance. In this, the focus itself was self-reliance and self-generating economy. It was on the base. It was based on the John Sandy and Sukhamoi Chakraborty model. Sukhamoi Chakraborty model. So other important developments which happened during this point was in 1965, the Agriculture Price Commission, which now is Commission for Agriculture Cost and Price. So that was established. Agri Price Commission came into place. Agri Price Commission came into place, and then in 1965 only Food Corporation of India came into place, and also in 1964 time there was Bokaro Iron and Steel Plant. Okay, Bokaro Iron and Steel Plant. It came in Jharkhand. Okay, it was set up, and this was set up with the help of Russian government. When we are looking at the Green Revolution, who is known as the father of Green Revolution? Father of Green Revolution is M.S. Swaminathan. Father of Green Revolution is M.S. Swaminathan. The Green Revolution itself was first used by whom? It was first used by William Gord and Norman Borlaug. So Norman Borlaug is father of Green Revolution. But father of Green Revolution in India, it is M.S. Swaminathan. So these are 2 points which you have to remember. So in the next part, we'll discuss the other 5-year plans. So in 3 parts, we'll be finishing the 5-year plans. Thank you. I'll see you soon in the next one.